Hi guys, this is Rishabh Kapoor from websofttutorials.com. In this video guys, we'll make a password with strength checker using jquery keyup event handler, which you can see on the screen. When I type some password, it's showing it's weak, good or strong. So we'll make this in this tutorial. So let's begin. Firstly guys, I'll make a input type of password and I'll give it a ID of status. And now I'll make a span class here. I'll give it a class name of first. You can give any name. So I'll write password here. Firstly guys, I'll open it in browser. Guys, when I type something, then it will display whether my password is weak, good or strong. So for that guys, we go to external jQuery file, and firstly will make a event handler, keyup event handler. So I'll write status. We're making this keyup event handler for this password field whose ID is status dot keyup. Now I'll write the function here. So firstly guys, I'll make a variable here. I'll give it a name of len, and inside this variable we will save the length of password field. So I'll write status.val.length. Now length of this password field is inside this len variable. So firstly you will check whether it is working properly or not. So I'll write dot first dot text, means it will display the length of this password field inside this span tag. So I'll write text len, it will display here. So firstly guys, I'll open it in browser. Now we'll check. When I type something, now you can see it's displaying and it's working properly. So we'll go to external jQuery file and firstly I remove it. Firstly guys, I'll make three classes here. I'll give it a name of red, I'll give it a color of white and background of red, and I'll give it a padding of 0 pixels for top and bottom and 10 pixels for right and left. And I'll make two more classes. I'll copy this. I'll give it a name of orange, and I'll give it a background color of orange. And in the same way, I'll make third class. I'll give it a name of green, and I'll give it a background color of green. So guys, we'll use if statement here. So I'll write if length is less than 4, then first dot text weak, means if the length is less than 4, then it will be show that this password is weak. And I'll add a class here. Right, first dot add class, and I'll add a red class. So let's test it. Open it browser and write. Now you can see it is less than 4 characters. So now it's working properly. Now I'll check whether it is more than 4 characters or not. So I'll write else if statement. So I'll check if length is less than 8. Sorry, I will write less than equal to 4, and I'll write here less than equal to 8. Means if it is equal to 4 or less than equal to 4, then it will display that your password is weak. In the same way, if the length is less than 8 or equal to 8, then it will display that your password is password.text equal to good. And we'll add a class here. So first dot add class, and I will give it a class name of orange, in the same way. And now I'll type else means if it is greater than 8, then it will write first dot text equal to strong, and I'll write first dot add class, and I'll add a class name of green. Means if the length is less than or equal to 8, the text will be displayed is that your password is good, and it will add this orange class. If it's greater than 8 characters, then it will display that your password is strong, and it will add this green class. So refresh. Alright, RISH, it's weak. When I type 5th, now you can see it's good. 6th, 7th, 8th, now it's good. When I type the 9th, it's strong. Now guys, but you will see when I remove this, it is not removing this class. Its background is still green. So we will remove the class here. So I'll write, first I'll write here first dot remove class, means remove the rest of the classes. First class is red, and in the same way remove this second class, that is orange. In the same way do this here, add the orange class and remove the red and green class if it's already added. In the same way copy it here, add the red class and remove the green and orange class. So if I refresh, now you will see when I type something, when I remove this, now you will see it's the class has been removed. But now you can see there is no character or text inside this password field, but it's still showing that your password is weak. It should not display anything. So what I will do, I'll write a if statement here, and I'll write if length is less than 1, then I'll copy this, text will be nothing, and then no class will be added, and I'll make it else if. Now I'll show you. Firstly we'll check if the length is less than 1, then text will be displayed, means no text will be displayed, and if there is any class is added, it will be removed. And if the password is less than or equal to 4, then it will display that your password is weak, and it will add red class. In the same way, if the length is less than 8 or equal to 8, it will display your password status is good, and it will add orange class, and it will remove rest of the classes if they are added. In the same way, if it is greater than 8, it will add this green class and remove rest of the classes if they are added. So refresh. When I type something RISHAB, now you can see it's wrong. When I remove everything is removed. Now you can see. So guys, we have created a password field strength checker using jQuery keyup event handler. So guys, if you have any query in your mind, then you can leave a comment below. So thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get recent updates about my videos. Let's see you in the next tutorial.